Welcome to our English learning series. We'll start with some common vocabulary words that you can use in daily life. These are words you'll frequently encounter in conversations. Gregarious. Definition: fond of company, sociable. Example sentence: he's a gregarious person who enjoys meeting new people. Prudent. Definition: acting with or showing care and thought for the future. Example sentence: it's prudent to save money for emergencies. Nimble. Definition: quick and light in movement or action, agile. Example sentence: she is nimble on her feet, making her a great dancer. Diligent. Definition: showing steady, earnest, and energetic effort in doing something. Example sentence: he is a diligent worker, always completing tasks on time. Melancholy. Definition: a deep, long-lasting sadness. Example sentence: the movie left him with a feeling of melancholy. Frugal. Definition: being economical with money or resources, not wasteful. Example sentence: they live a frugal lifestyle, saving money wherever possible. Empathy. Definition: the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Example sentence: her empathy makes her a great friend who always listens. Persevere. Definition: to continue in a course of action even in the face of difficulty. Example sentence: he had to persevere through many setbacks to succeed. Hesitant. Definition: unsure or slow in acting or speaking. Example sentence: he was hesitant to make a decision without more information. Candid. Definition: being honest and straightforward in expressing opinions. Example sentence: he gave a candid response, not holding back any details. Eloquent. Definition: fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Example sentence: she gave an eloquent speech that moved the audience. Ambitious. Definition: having a strong desire to achieve success or goals. Example sentence: she's an ambitious student who always aims for the top grades. Impartial. Definition: treating all rivals or disputants equally, fair and just. Example sentence: the judge was impartial, treating both sides fairly. Articulate. Definition: able to express ideas clearly and effectively in speech or writing. Example sentence: he is an articulate speaker who easily conveys his ideas. Comprehensive. Definition: including all or nearly all elements or aspects of something. Example sentence: the report provides a comprehensive overview of the project. Jubilant. Definition: feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph. Example sentence: the team was jubilant after winning the championship. Convenient. Definition: easy to use or fitting well with your needs and plans. Example sentence: it's convenient to have a grocery store nearby. Reliable. Definition: someone or something you can trust to do what they are expected to do. Example sentence: she's a reliable friend who always keeps her promises. Quaint. Definition: attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Example sentence: they stayed in a quaint little cottage by the lake. Keen. Definition: having or showing enthusiasm or eagerness. Example sentence: she's keen to learn new languages and cultures. Efficient. Definition: achieving maximum productivity with minimum wasted effort or expense. Example sentence: the new software is more efficient than the old one. Nostalgic. Definition: a sentimental longing or wistful affection for the past. Example sentence: he felt nostalgic when he visited his childhood home. Decisive. Definition: settling an issue, producing a definite result. Example sentence: his decisive action saved the company from bankruptcy. Optimistic. Definition: hopeful and confident about the future. Example sentence: she remains optimistic despite the challenges she faces. Resilient. Definition: able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Example sentence: children are often more resilient than adults realize. Cautious. Definition: careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. Example sentence: she was cautious when crossing the busy street. Gratitude. Definition: the quality of being thankful. Readiness to show appreciation. Example sentence: she expressed her gratitude with a heartfelt thank you note. Tenacious. Definition: persistent in maintaining, adhering to, or seeking something valued. Example sentence: her tenacious spirit helped her achieve her dreams.
Definition: keeping careful watch for possible danger or difficulties. Example sentence: the security team remained vigilant throughout the event.
Serene. Definition: calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Example sentence: the lake was serene in the early morning light. Adaptable. Definition: able to adjust to new conditions or environments. Example sentence: she is highly adaptable and can handle change with ease. Lavish. Definition: sumptuously rich, elaborate, or luxurious. Example sentence: they threw a lavish party for their anniversary. Lavish. Definition: sumptuously rich, elaborate, or luxurious. Example sentence: they threw a lavish party for their anniversary. Itinerary. Definition: a planned route or journey, often used while traveling. Example sentence: I've prepared a detailed itinerary for our trip. Magnanimous. Definition: generous or forgiving, especially toward a rival or less powerful person. Example sentence: the magnanimous winner shared his prize with the runners-up. Gracious. Definition: courteous, kind, and pleasant. Example sentence: she was gracious in accepting the award. Proactive. Definition: taking action by causing change and not only reacting to it when it happens. Example sentence: being proactive at work can lead to better opportunities.
Wholesome definition, conducive to or suggestive of good health and well-being. Example sentence, she enjoys a wholesome diet full of fruits and vegetables.
Unanimous. Definition: fully in agreement. Example sentence: the decision to proceed was unanimous among the team members.
Zealous definition, having or showing zeal, passionate and enthusiastic. Example sentence, he is zealous about protecting the environment.
Fortunate. Definition: favored by or involving good luck or fortune. Example sentence: he was fortunate to find a job so quickly after graduation. Curiosity. Definition: a strong desire to learn or know something. Example sentence: her curiosity led her to explore new subjects every day. Yearn. Definition: have an intense feeling of longing for something, typically something that one has lost or been separated from. Example sentence: she yearned to visit her hometown after many years. Humble. Definition: having or showing a modest or low estimate of one's own importance. Example sentence: despite his success, he remains humble. Judicious. Definition: having, showing, or done with good judgment or sense. Example sentence: he made a judicious decision to invest in real estate. Zany. Definition: amusingly unconventional and idiosyncratic. Example sentence: the comedian's zany antics had the audience laughing throughout the show. Whimsical. Definition: playfully quaint or fanciful, especially in an appealing and amusing way. Example sentence: the whimsical garden was full of quirky decorations. Kinetic. Definition: relating to or resulting from motion. Example sentence: The kinetic energy of the moving car was tremendous. Luminous. Definition: full of or shedding light, bright or shining, especially in the dark. Example sentence: the luminous stars lit up the night sky. Word: noteworthy. Definition: worth paying attention to, significant. Example sentence: her contributions to the project were noteworthy. Obstinate. Definition: stubbornly refusing to change one's opinion or chosen course of action. Example sentence: he remained obstinate, refusing to admit he was wrong. Industrious. Definition: diligent and hardworking. Example sentence: the industrious worker completed the project ahead of schedule. Proficient. Definition: competent or skilled in doing or using something. Example sentence: she is proficient in several programming languages. Vague. Definition: of uncertain, indefinite, or unclear character or meaning. Example sentence: his instructions were vague, leaving everyone confused. Quizzical. Definition: indicating mild or amused puzzlement. Example sentence: she gave him a quizzical look when he said something strange. Robust. Definition: strong and healthy, vigorous. Example sentence: the robust economy has led to increased job opportunities. Unyielding. Definition: not giving way to pressure, hard or solid. Example sentence: her unyielding determination led her to success. Tactful. Definition: having or showing skill and sensitivity in dealing with others or with difficult issues. Example sentence: he was tactful in handling the delicate situation. Unique. Definition: being the only one of its kind, unlike anything else. Example sentence: her style is unique and stands out in a crowd. Witty. Definition: showing or characterized by quick and inventive verbal humor. Example sentence: his witty remarks always make the audience laugh. Brisk. Definition: active, fast, and energetic. Example sentence: they went for a brisk walk in the park. Cordial. Definition: warm and friendly. Example sentence: they received a cordial welcome from their hosts. Diverse. Definition: showing a great deal of variety, very different. Example sentence: the team is made up of people from diverse backgrounds. Elated. Definition: very happy or proud, jubilant, in high spirits. Example sentence: she was elated by the news of her promotion.
Haphazard. Definition: lacking any obvious principle of organization. Example sentence: the books were arranged in a haphazard fashion.
Impeccable. Definition: in accordance with the highest standards, faultless. Example sentence: her performance was impeccable, with no mistakes. Quaint. Definition: attractively unusual or old-fashioned. Example sentence: they stayed in a quaint cottage by the sea. Keen. Definition: having or showing eagerness or enthusiasm. Example sentence: she's keen to learn more about photography. Lucid. Definition: expressed clearly, easy to understand. Example sentence: his explanation was lucid and easy to follow. Obscure. Definition: not discovered or known about, uncertain. Example sentence: the origins of the artifact are obscure. Radiant. Definition: sending out light, shining or glowing brightly. Example sentence: her radiant smile lit up the room. Thrifty. Definition: using money and other resources carefully and not wastefully. Example sentence: he's thrifty, always looking for the best.
Astute. Definition: having or showing an ability to accurately assess situations or people and turn this to one's advantage. Example sentence: he made an astute observation about the market trends. Benevolent. Definition: well-meaning and kindly. Example sentence, the benevolent organization donated food to the needy.